The first slide. Okay. Okay. So in third problem we stopped actually. We will continue this. So potential V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R, and if you simplify for R equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught V. Similarly, electric field E equal to electric field E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. And here substitute this R value here. This value of R, that is R equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into V, substituting this here. Then Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by 4 pi epsilon naught V whole square. And this squaring this 4 pi epsilon naught square into V when it comes up, and going to get cancelled with 4 pi epsilon naught, which is in denominator. Then remaining thing is E equal to 4 pi epsilon naught V square, because this is a 4 pi epsilon naught square and this 4 pi epsilon naught getting cancelled. So 4 pi epsilon naught V square by Q. And we are going to substitute this V value. V equal to Q into 10 power 11. V equal to Q into 10 power 11, substituting this here, and Q square and this Q getting cancelled. Then 4 pi epsilon naught into 10 power 11 whole power 2, that is 10 power 22. Therefore 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 10 power 22 is the answer. So V equal to 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 10 power 22 volt per meter. This is option. Which option? Option A. Option A is the correct answer. Let's move to next problem. Fourth problem. A bullet of mass 2 gram is having a charge of 2 microcoulomb. Through what potential difference must it be accelerated, starting from rest to acquire a speed of 10 meter per second? Option A, B, C, D is given. A and B is in kilovolts and C and D is in just volts. Formula we are going to use is kinetic energy E equal to half mv square, that is equal to E into V, and here E is given in terms of Q. So Q into V. Therefore kinetic energy E equal to half mv square into QV. And here we want to find V only, that is potential difference must be only we want to find. So from that V equal to mv square by 2Q. Substitute the value of m. M is given 2 gram. 2 gram convert into kilogram. So that is 2 into 10 power minus 3. And small v, V is given as 10 meter per second. Meter per second, that is already in SI unit. So 10 power 2. And Q is given in 2 microcoulomb. Microcoulomb convert into coulomb. That is 2 into 10 power minus 6. And simplifying this 2 getting cancelled, and on simplifying we will get V equal to 50 into 10 power 3 volts equal to 50 kilovolts. We know kilo means kV or kilo means 10 power 3, that is 1000. So 50,000 volt is nothing but 50 kilovolt. 50 kilovolt is our final answer. This is option B. Option B, 50 kV is the answer. Next problem. Fifth problem. A parallel plate air capacitor has capacity C. Distance of separation between plates is D and potential difference V is applied between the plates. Force of attraction between the plates of the parallel plate air capacitor is. Air capacitor means the capacitor is filled with air, not other than any other dielectric medium. It means its dielectric constant epsilon R value is 1 for air. Formula is F equal to Q into E. And we know E is the electric field. Electric field between the two parallel plates is E equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. E equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is the value of electric field. So substituting this E equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught here, and sigma equal to Q by A. What is sigma? Sigma is actually surface charge density. Surface charge density is the charge per unit area. Sigma equal to Q by A. And that is sigma equal to Q by A, we have substituted, and Q into Q square by 2A epsilon naught. And we know Q equal to C into V. Substitute this Q equal to C into V here. Then C into C square into V square by 2A epsilon naught, and yes, C is a nothing but epsilon naught A by D is a capacitance of a capacitor for a parallel plate in between two parallel plates. That is equal to epsilon naught A by D. A is the area, epsilon naught is the permittivity of a free space or vacuum, and D is the distance of separation between the two plates. And substituting this here for 1C, as per our formula, C is also given and epsilon naught A also simplified. So substitute the C equal to epsilon naught A by D in 1C. Then on simplifying, we will get F equal to C V square by 2D. So force between this charge capacitor is parallel plate charge capacitor is F equal to C V square by 2D. This is the answer, which is the option B. Option B, F equal to CV square by 2D is the answer. We will move to next problem. Okay. So sixth problem will continue in 5 minutes. Just to be wait.